Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about change column type actions in automation anywhere. Whenever we are talking about change column type actions in data table, this enables you to change the data type of column, where we will see here with the help of example how we can perform these actions quickly. To start with this, I will create one process. Under this process, we'll talk about same thing. Here, I will just drag and drop one step. Under that, we'll define the step name, change column tag. And by the way, if you're visiting this channel first time, feel free to add your thumbs up tab. This helps me to create more content related to that. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit subscribe button where whenever I will upload any video, this will get notified to you. Now let's understand the problem statement and data. Here we have product ID, product name, expiration date, quantity in stocks. These details are available table in CSV file. At any point of time, I wanted to change the type. I will be able to easily do it in data table using automation anywhere. To showcase, I'm just opening one CSV where CSV and text file will be open. This is the actions which I wanted to perform. Here, I will select file, locations as well as file. So here my file is table. Once I will add the path, I'll select contains header and nothing else. After that, I wanted to read this complete file. Here, we'll add another actions, add read CSV or text. Now, to do that, first I have to create one variable to store it after reading it. So table from CSV is my variable name. If you want, we can change it. Use as output. We'll clear and select the file. Next actions I wanted as an insert column where we'll add last index and provide the table from CSV as a variable and custom column name. Whichever column name you want, you can add it here. So I'm adding custom column name as manufacturing. Date, column type will be string or date time, whichever you want, you can add it based on the data. And next, we'll add date in DDMMYY format. This is done. After that, we'll add date time here. We'll include date time format as well as time frame. Initially, we have just added date, but I wanted to have date time format so that the timestamp will be included. Next actions is change column type. Here we'll add name and we'll use exactly same name to call this. Even you can call out with the indexes if you remember the indexes. Select the new column data type. As of now, we have added as date and time format, but we wanted to make the changes. Now here I wanted to include as YYMMDD format and save the outcome to a new variable. After that, we will add toString date and time, and here we'll add the variable as table from CSV and as the indexes. along with name. Custom format will be included here so that we should have the proper value in place. So mmydd and assign the output to a variable. Sample string is the variable, and after that, I wanted to populate this into message box. Here we'll select sample string variable and insert it, and that's it. Where we will close CSV file as the final step. After that, we'll save and run this code to see the result. Now you can see here our execution hasn't completed and we got the state because we modified it. Once I'll click on OK, it will close the executions and we'll have the final. Now let me make the changes and run the code again to have different variations. Now you can see here we got date format as YYMMDD separated with hyphen. So that's how it looks whenever we want. We can make the changes using data table change column type where the modifications can be easier using automation anywhere. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you wanted to learn more about automation anywhere, I would suggest to watch my complete automation anywhere playlist. I've also created one Udemy course which might help you to learn 7 use cases which I have covered throughout the course. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.